Hey, I'm Nick from Dorman Products. Welcome to our video on fluid coolers. There's not a car on the road that doesn't make use of fluids. For almost any of those liquids, heat shortens the life of both the fluids and the parts they are protecting. Of course, damaged, clogged, or corroded fluid coolers shorten the life of any vehicle. That's why Dorman has a large variety of coolers, and some feature strategic upgrades to address the unique failures each type can suffer. The coolers we sell you aren't the generic add-on coolers you may be familiar with. We leave those to other suppliers. Instead, we focus on direct fit replacements for OEM applications. First up, let's talk about transmission coolers. Transmission longevity is greatly affected by heat. It's why you'll find large coolers on vehicles that are designed for towing. We offer some select trans coolers on high fail applications. If you're installing one, you'll very likely be disturbing the lines. We offer many popular fittings and even OE fix O-rings for applications where they're not sold separately by the original equipment manufacturer, saving a good bit of time and money on this type of repair. We also have some power steering coolers. Many power steering coolers found on modern vehicles are of a fine wire type design. This design increases cooling surface area, and in that respect, it works well. However, the fins are highly susceptible to corrosion as well as damage from road debris. We offer an upgraded OE fix design for many coolers. Our design uses what we call stacked fins. We affix wavy fins to the cooler piping to promote airflow, yet giving much more rigidity to the important heat shedding element of the cooler. This makes it much stronger in tough undercar conditions while providing the same cooling performance of the original. We use a protective coating to keep corrosion at bay, which differs based on application. All coolers are salt spray tested for 240 hours, simulating time on car to ensure our parts can go the distance. And for a complex repair, we can also sell you a power steering fluid filter. This can be helpful as insurance when a customer has suffered a catastrophic failure. If you need to be sure any errant debris doesn't damage a new rack, steering gear, or pump, this is an affordable and universal way to do so. We've also got engine oil coolers as well. In modern vehicles, engine oil is asked to do more and more. Timing chains are far longer and more complex than they once were, and oil weights have trended thinner and thinner. Oil is also used to control cam phasing, valve lift control, and also cylinder deactivation in modern applications. It's easy to see why keeping the fluid cool is of utmost importance. Clearly, replacing a failed cooler with a quality Dorman direct fit replacement is important to maintain the integrity of other vehicle systems. We have a growing line of diesel fluid coolers as well. Modern diesels require fluid coolers because heated fuel loses density, meaning power suffers. Heated diesel also gives up lubricity. Damage to high pressure injection systems can be costly to say the least, which is ironic because in many cases, these components are the ones helping generate the heat. You'll see these becoming more and more prevalent on vehicles. If you work in the medium or heavy duty space, you're likely already familiar with them. No matter what Dorman cooler you select, be aware you'll also be getting premium gaskets and seals. We use many items manufactured by Tier 1 suppliers, and many of our industry partners are brand names you know and trust from other automotive tasks. We hope you like these new solutions for fluid temperature regulation. And remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always there to help. Thanks for checking out our video on fluid coolers. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.